The most advised way to display data is by using groups. Groups can have different display configurations to match your needs. You can configure groups on the Groups page, which you can find under the Settings tab. To start explaining the Groups page, let's create a new group. We do this by pressing Create New Group. The Create Group wizard will then open. Here, you give the group a name. In this case, I will name the group Office 1.1 since that is the office number. Next, select the sensor for this group, in this case, Entrance 1.1. Then continue to the next step. Here, we can select a type of display. I would like to view the occupancy of the office, so I will select the occupancy display. Finally, press Create Group. We will then be sent to the details of that group. You can navigate back by pressing the house icon, but before we do that, let's link the group under the correct group. Since the group is located on the first floor, we will add it to a parent group. Press the Link to Parent button. Select the correct group, in this case, Office First Floor, and press Add. If we head back to the overview, we will see the group listed in this Smart Table. By default, the list is limited to 20 entries. To find the group details of a group you are looking for, there are multiple ways to do so. You can increase the number of entries shown, up to 100 entries. You can also order items by a certain column. If you click on Group Name, for example, the groups will be ordered by their name. If the device is still not listed, you can move to the next page using the navigation below the table. The treeform visualization below the table can also be used to find your group. The groups listed in the table are shown in the tree, but can be hidden because of the way they are configured. The treeform visualizes how the groups are connected. In this case, the tutorial office consists of 3 floors. You can find these when you click on the name. We can go even deeper to find our recently added group. When clicking on a name, a button will appear which you can use to navigate to the group details. The last way to find your group is to filter it out of the table, with the search bar above the table. When the desired group is found, you can click the edit icon to find the group details. At the group details, we can link a device to the group. Press the Link Device button and select the correct device to add. In this case, Backexit 1.1. We could navigate to the device's details by pressing the Edit button. Let's add some additional information. Click on the text to open the tab. A label can be used to filter on the dashboard. There are some default values, but you can also create a custom label by clicking on the icon. Let's label this group as Room and press Add. Furthermore, we can add more details about the group. It is advised to fill in the country and time zone to ensure correct data display. Next, we can change the display settings. Any changes made here will be shown in the data preview below. Before we change anything, we see that the occupancy is not shown correctly. One of our devices is hung the other way around. So, we check the inside slider to fix this, setting the inside to B. It is quite important to set this correctly. Now, we can change some settings. Let's show all the sensors in the group and only the movements. For the occupancy, let's set a capacity of 10 and the reset time to 0, which is midnight. Now, if we view the data preview below, we can see that the settings have been applied. If we navigate to the dashboard and select the group, we can see that the configurations are applied here.